Hello dear Libra, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading till 15th of Feb 2021. So let's quickly tap into your partner and your energy and see what is happening with you guys, okay? So first of all, the message from the universe for both of you guys is the Four of Swords energy. So contemplate, meditate, take a step back and analyze everything, okay Libra? So this is for you guys, this is the guidance from the universe for you guys for this particular relationship, okay? So your partner's energy right now is the Three of Swords. Your partner is feeling hurt, they are feeling lost, they are not maybe talking to you, they are feeling like you have hurted them very very badly and they don't want to talk to you right now about this particular relationship or about this issue. They are not opening up to you right now, okay? Your energy till 15th of Feb is the Eight of Coins. This is the Eight of Pentacles. You can say you are working on yourself maybe, or you are working on this particular relationship slowly, bit by bit. So what I can feel is right now you are focused on your money, right now you are focused on yourself, right now you are not focused on the other person's feelings or your own feelings right now, okay Libra? This is what is happening with you guys. How they see you, your person is seeing you, this is like the Ten of Swords energy. Your person is feeling like this relationship is over, there's nothing left in this relationship. They are feeling like the worst is over from their life and the worst phase is over maybe. But trust me, this card is telling me that they are not thinking wrong about you. They are thinking like whatever was wrong in this relationship, whatever was not working out, whatever was there that was toxic, or that was that should be cut out. So they are feeling like they are backstabbed, maybe they are feeling like cheated or backstabbed or something like that from you. But right now they are feeling like breakup, they are feeling like breaking up with you right now, okay? Moving on from you. And how you see your partner, this is the Five of Wands energy. You feel like your partner is constantly fighting, they are constantly in this conflicting energy. You are feeling like your partner always creates conflicts and quarrels and fights that are of no use, and you are feeling like your partner is not in the zone of making things good, or they are not peaceful enough, or they are not mentally stable or emotionally stable, or whatever it is. So you see your partner as a conflicting energy, okay? What they feel about this particular relationship is the Judgment card. They feel like they are judging each and every step, they are reminiscing the past, they are looking in the past and making decisions. They are on the verge of making a very very big decision. They are feeling what they are they are feeling like what they gave you, they didn't get it back. So they are judging their past actions, they are judging your past actions, and they are feeling like, okay, I need to talk to this person. They are feeling, they have feelings for you, there's no doubt in that. They feel for you, they love you, but right now they are judging everything they did for you. Right now they are judging everything that went wrong or right in this particular relationship with you, okay? And what you are feeling about this relationship, the Tower, again you are also feeling like breaking up. You are also feeling like this relationship was not meant to be. You are also feeling like, okay, this is over from my side as well. I am not going to entertain this person further. I am not going to put any kind of effort from my side. So right now you both are on the same page, you are mirroring each other, you both are feeling the same, Libra. Actually you both are feeling the same. You guys are mirroring each other in every aspect of your life, okay? This is what is happening with you guys right now, okay? What they want from this relationship is the King of Cups energy. They want love from this relationship, they want stability from this relationship. They want you to come out of your den or shell or whatever you can say. They just want you to come out of your shell and tell them that you love them, okay? They want emotional stability, they want happiness, they want love from you, okay? On the other hand, what you want from this relationship, the Hierophant energy is there. So it is indicating me a long-term commitment, a long-term happiness, a long-term, you can say, a marriage thing as well. So you want them in your life, you want a happy union with them, you want a long-term commitment from them, you want a spiritual connection with them, you want this relationship to work out no matter how hard it is looking right now, Libra, okay? So stop running. You love this person, you want commitment from this person, you want this person in your life. So stop running, Libra, okay? Stop running, please stop running, okay? Accept your feelings and work on them, okay? And the outcome from their side is the Ace of Swords. there will be a communication for sure between you guys, and there will be lots of mental clarity, lots of cutting out toxicity and negativity. Whatever happened in the past, they will cut out the crap, and they will communicate with you very very clearly, and maybe very very cleverly, what I can feel is. Okay, so Libra, your partner is going to have a new start with you, and they are going to start a new beginning. There will be a new beginning in this relationship, and after in this relationship, after cutting out all the negativity and toxicity, all the quarrels and fights and whatever you can say, okay, from their side. And from your side, the outcome is the Two of Cups energy. You are finally going to feel the love, the connection, the spirituality, the soulmate connection with this person. You are going to feel like, okay, no matter how much I deny it, no matter how much I hide it, but I know deep inside you know that this is the right person for you. Deep inside you know that you love this person, you want this person, you want a commitment from them, you want a long-term relationship with them. So Libra, stop running and stop lying to yourself. Okay, yeah. And I told you already, the guidance from the universe is the Four of Swords energy. You should rest, you should take a break, you should take a pause from everything and focus on what is, you know, bothering you the most. So maybe the emotional life, your emotional life is not right now in the, you know, good position, and that is creating lots of havoc, lots of instability and lots of, you know, toxicity in you, and that is why you might be suffering from inside, and but you are not telling it to anybody. Okay, and another message from the universe is the abundance is coming to your life. Keep a positive mindset, manifest exactly what you want, gratitude and bliss is coming to you. Okay, this is the card, Libra. Read it aloud for 3-4 times a day. You will get the necessary insight. Okay, so Libra, this is for you guys, and this is till 15th of Feb, and I'll let you know what is going to happen after 15th in another video. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you, and do subscribe to my channel, share with your friends as well, and do let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you on any level. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste, and this is Anjali Tarot. God bless you.